안녕하세요, 대리입니다. Welcome again to the part 2 of learning Korean in English. So today we will learn the 10 basic vowels. So this is the chart as you can see in the screen, and the first row is the vowels in Korean in Hangul. So these are a, ya, o, yo, o, yo. There's a difference. First one was o, yo, and the second one is o and yo. So there's a difference in pronunciation. And next are u, you, and e. So the second last is It's not close to any language in English, Hindi. It's just a sound that exists in Korean, but it kind of sounds like the Hindi but not a like this kind of. Okay, so a already exists in Hindi sound. Then o is the Assamese way of speaking so that also kind of exists in Indo-Aryan language sounds. Just we know that in Hindi ya is consonant, that means it's a vyanjan one, but when it comes to Korean it's a vowel only, and even in English that y sound, that semi-vowel sound. So here a and then ya, and you can see that in a you have just put a straight vertical line and divided it with a bar, a horizontal bar, to produce that y sound, your sound. You are just writing the same a but giving double stroke. And we have o sound, which is the Assamese and the consonant ya in Assamese, which is lo, is just a vowel in case of Korean. And then we have o and yo. So these are also similar sounds that already exist. And we have u and u. As you can see, after the o sound or a sound or whatever sound is coming, just that y sound is coming along. So that's how it's going to continue. And when there's normal o sound, normal o sound or sound, then there's one stroke in the horizontal line, and when there's this y sound, then there's double strokes. There are two strokes, and that's how you can distinguish. And after each normal sound, what the y sound repeats. Let's repeat once again: a, ya, o, yo. It's not o, okay? O, then o, yo, o, yo, u, you, and e. Now let's move on to the 11 complex vowels, and let's see how they look, why they are all complex, and what similarities and differences does it have with the Indo-Aryan languages and English. As you can see, these are the 11 complex vowels, and as you can see by the name, these are not only complex while pronouncing, as you need to put a little more pressure while pronouncing them, and it can be confusing at times. And you can also see that few of the, or let's say most of the complex vowels are made up of two basic vowels, and then they form a single complex vowel. And that's why these are the complex vowels, as you need to put more pressure while pronouncing, and there's difficulty while pronouncing them, and the first four can be confusing as they're similar. So let's see the first row. These are a, and as you can see, the y sound follows by yeah. So a is written by putting two vertical lines and connecting them together by a horizontal bar. So that's how you get an a. So it's like a congested H or a railway track where one row is missing, basically. So a, and then we have yeah. It's not exactly a, but it's close to a actually. It's also a type of a only, by the way. So it's a, then yeah, then we have a and ye. So in today's time, the pronunciation of today's Korean, there's no